kitchen to bathroom renovation, from furnitures to curtains, from lights to wooden flooring, end-to-end wall decor and home decor. One-stop decor solution. Visit soon at Asian Paints Beautiful Homes, Kedarmul, Bimal Kumar, Lakhiya Road, Shillong.
Most POCSO cases in the state last year were recorded from East Khasi Hills. A preliminary report of the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has revealed the district topped with 709 cases, which was 28% of all POCSO cases in 2023. South Garo Hills recorded 64 cases, the least at 2%, the data said. According to the Commission, East Khasi Hills also had the most pending POCSO cases, 566, pending in the POCSO court. Southeast Garo Hills had 36 pending cases, the least. In the state, the total number of cases registered in the POCSO courts from their inception to December 2023 was 2,566, out of which 1,984 are pending across the districts. The disposal rate of cases in the state is 22.68%. The first case registered under the POCSO Act was on 4th June 2013 at the East Khasi Hills POCSO Court. The POCSO courts in the other districts were established subsequently.
10 years, which ends in 2023. So just to give a brief highlight, there were, in the 10 years of the POCSO Act in Meghalaya, there are a total of 2,566 cases in the state, out of which there are still 1,984 cases still pending in the courts, in the various courts of the districts in the state. There are 11 POCSO courts in each district, barring East and West Khasi Hills, which is a newly established district. The rest of all the districts have a functioning POCSO court. We find that the maximum number of cases have been increasing on a year-wise, with the maximum number of cases being reported in the COVID years of 2020, 2021, and 2022. Of which 2021 has shown as the highest number of cases registered, totaling a number of 378 cases. When we look at the percentages of cases, we find that East Khasi Hills has the highest number of cases, which registers at 28% of all the cases in the state. Number of convictions, with 50 cases of convictions. The other districts have convictions of 30